With language handling in master data information, it's possible for me to transfer language-specific information from customers and items to sales orders, or from vendors to purchase orders. Let me show you an example here. So I've made all my data correctly and set up everything that I prefer. So I can create a new sales order. And first I'll make a sales order for a normal customer with an English language code, and I add my customer name. And after adding my customer name and the header is inserted, I can navigate into my dynamic reports menu, and in here I have my master data information, and that's my information that is set up in the document header. So already now it has set up information coming from the customer, and I've defined in some setup that it should set up some of it from the header and some of it from the line, and it's all written in English here. There's other video explaining how this works in detail. The point is that this is now English depending on the customer language code. Likewise, if I enter an item number on the line, like this, it would have inserted on my line some master data information, and also make those information for all lines, and it's also language specific. So these are built to be able to print on the documents to ship to the customer, or to take up information about the order from the customer. Let's make a new sales order here for an other customer, but the same example and the same data set. So I'll just add a customer here, which I believe have a language code of Danish. And again, if I go to navigate, dynamic reports, master data information, in here I can see that all the same text coming from the same information is now set up with Danish language code on the header. And likewise, if I enter an item number on the line here, like this, I can go into my master data information on the line, and this will be again Danish, the few things that are written here in Danish, for instance, the hair and the deck type, etc. All depending on my setup.